Okay, hello everyone. Okay, so we're going to initialize our first repository. And so in order to do that, we need to start a project. So I'm going to open up a Finder, and in my documents folder, I'm going to create a new folder here. So you can use Command Shift N, or you can right click and hit new folder. And I'm going to call this learning get. So that's just going to be I'm just going to say learning get project, something like that. And so I'm going to use the terminal to navigate to this folder, and then we're going to initialize a Git repository inside this folder. And I'll explain what that does in a second. So right now, if I do pwd, I'm in my user directory, and I can move into documents by doing a cd documents, hit enter. And so if I do a pwd, right now I'm in document. If I do an ls to list all the files and directories in here, I can see I have Zoom, and I also have the learning git project. I'm going to move into that learning git project with cd, so cd learning git project, and now I'm in learning git project. Pwd print working directory or present working directory, it's going to tell me where I am. So I'm inside learning git project. Now when you're inside the project, you want to initialize the repository, what you type is git init. Init stands for initialize, and once I hit enter, I get a response that says initialize empty git repository in, and it tells me where it initialized the empty git repository. It's in the folder learning git project, and notice that it created another hidden folder called git. It's hidden because it has the period in front of it. This is a dot file, or a dot folder in this case, and dot folders do not show. If I open up learning git project, notice there's nothing inside of it because it's hidden. It's not shown over here. And so what we've done is this: we created a folder on our computer called learning git project, and Git didn't know anything about it. We navigated into this folder with our terminal, and we typed in git init. What we're doing by this is saying, hey Git, come into our folder and keep track of every single thing we do from now onwards. That's what git init does. It creates a bunch of tracking files and folders inside of this folder, but we don't see it because it's a dot file. Right? We're going to take a look at this in the next video or upcoming videos. But we're creating a Git repository inside this folder, and we're saying, hey Git, please come inside this folder, live here, or live inside of it, and keep track of every single thing that happens with our project. So that's it. Alright, if you have any questions, please post down below, and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time with the next video. Alright then, bye-bye.